Hello everyone, and welcome to my tutorial on how to use the website and app GoodGuide. My name is Selena Peterson. I am an aspiring environmental enthusiast, and I'm going to explain to you today how to use this app to help lessen your carbon footprint and to make smarter shopping choices as someone who cares for the planet. So this website was created to allow consumers to make informed purchasing decisions on the things that they're buying regularly. So if we scroll down and go to the main page here, it's going to show that they have rated over 75,000 different products for you. You can search by category, which we have right here: personal care, household, babies and kids. So if we click in here to personal care, it's going to break it down into a lot of different categories. As you can see down the line, all the different things that you would shop for regularly. Let's go ahead and just click into bath, shower, and soap. And that opens up even more areas and even more products you could choose from. So let's go ahead and choose bar soap. And that pops up all the different bar soaps that they have rated. Next to all of them, there are little rating bubbles. I think it starts with all of the good ones first. So these were all 10s up here. Great for consumers wanting things that are good for the environment. If we click into one like this, the Shea Moisture Bar, it says it shows a rating of 8. If you scroll down, it will explain that there were some other negative aspects, one being that there was an item in here that is restricted in some areas. If you scroll down, that same purple bubble is going to pop up right here. If we click into that, it's going to show that glycerin has been restricted for use in cosmetics in Canada. So there's a restriction on this particular ingredient, but it also tells us that there's no hazard concern. So though it has been restricted in Canada, there's no hazard concern. So if we go back to that Shea Moisture Bar, it did get dinged a little bit because of that, but overall it still rates at an 8. So still a really good product for you to buy. And if we go back again to the home page, you also have the option to search. So let's say I wanted to search for a hair gel. Just type that into the search bar, press enter, scroll down, and you'll see all these different hair gels that pop up. We're noticing a lot of hair gels don't have great ratings, but we see some in here with 8s, some in here with 6s, and this just helps you to really choose products that are going to be best for the environment and therefore best for us. So if you had to choose between Big Sexy Hair Volumizing Gel and something like the Free and Clear Hairstyle Gel down here, it would be a better decision for you as an environmentalist and someone who cares about the environment to pick this one. It has a better rating, probably has less harsh chemicals, might be processed in a better facility that takes better care of their dumping and their chemicals that they use. Overall, just a better product to choose from. So this website as a whole can really help you as a shopper to make smart decisions. And that's really important for us as individuals to make sure that we are being educated on what we're purchasing and really trying to make an impact with our consumerism for the environment. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy the tutorial on how to use the website and application called GoodGuide, and I hope that you continue to use this application in the future to help your shopping purchases. Thank you.